Hello everyone, in today's video I want to talk about a gigantic issue in my opinion that these Lancer tactical goggles have. I honestly don't understand how such a product can get sold like in this state. Like, has no one actually even tried them? I don't think it's just a me problem, honestly. They are one size fits all, so it's not like this is a kid's size. The issue I have is the bit around the nose. I have a very small nose, objectively. There are people I know, friends of mine that are Italian, that have gigantic noses. My nose does not fit inside the goggles, very simply. I have to use the goggles on my forehead almost, just to be able to breathe, because the nose part squishes my nostrils shut, so I cannot really breathe whatsoever. It's insane to me because, as I said, I have a very small profile nose, so I don't understand like how such a gigantic issue has gone to the final product. Like, I don't know what the team that makes these, how they look like. They must be all Voldemort people, because no one knows, like, really. I'm gonna show you how they fit on my face, how they used to fit at least, and how I made them fit, because what I end up doing, I removed all the padding. As you can see, the padding is quite thick. Removed all and removed a whole lot of plastic. Like, took me about half an hour with a knife, just shedding pieces of plastic off it, just to be able to wear them at a normal height, like be able to see beneath you, because if you put them high up, you, first of all, you look like an idiot. Second of all, you cannot see, like, you can only look straight and up, you cannot see down whatsoever, you cannot see a replica, you cannot see anything. So you need to wear them like centered, you know, your eyes are supposed to be here, so you can look a bit up and mostly down. It's ridiculous. Like, don't get me wrong, this cost 20 euros. They are a good goggle for 20 euros, especially considering this is a double lens. I have already experience with double lens stuff. Like, my motorbike helmet has an insert that adds a layer of lens, and it seals it around, which is incredibly effective against fog. It's not like they become fog proof, but if they fog up a little bit, it immediately goes away, and it does not like create a layer of water, you know, of condensation, and you don't have to pull them off your face to wipe them down. It immediately goes away. It's incredibly effective against fog. Like, I guess it's not absolutely fog proof, but incredibly better than any other goggle that is a single layer of lens. And to get this for 20 euros, it's honestly incredible. The price is extremely good. The padding is comfortable, the elastic band is nice. You can stretch it very big to put it over helmets. They come with this absolutely stupid cloth that you're supposed to put it on the gloves when you don't use them and to slide it back, but if you have a helmet you have to cut it off, and there's no way to remove it because all the strap is sewn together, as you can see. So you cannot undo the strap and pull it out. You have to cut it off, because everywhere it's just hard mounted. Like, even this, it's inside. You cannot just you risk breaking it. I'm not gonna try that, so I had to cut it off. Money wasted there, because I think it's absolutely useless. But still, you know, for 20 euros it's a good pair of goggles. It's just they have this gigantic flaw, so I guess if you have a nose, be prepared to spend a good half an hour just shaving off plastic. You know, they're still comfortable even without the padding, I guess, but man, I don't know how this made it to the final product. Like, Come on, man, no nose, really. So here is how they used to fit. I used to be able to pull them down like this. I don't know if you can see, but uh, my hand here, I cannot see. I literally cannot see it. I have to bring it up here, like close to my eye line. Here, invisible. It's ridiculous. You look like an idiot. Imagine the plastic like still being there and the thick padding. It would just shut my nostrils, like this. Now with everything shaved, I can fit them how they are supposed to, like so. With your eyes centered, I can see my hand even down here. I have visibility up and down, like, and I can breathe actually. Like, I remember it's foam padding is like about this thick, plus the plastic. All the plastic I have shaven off, so like this is just a normal fit. Like ideally I would want them even a bit lower, like so, but they are coming off my face down because it's pressing against my nose. So literally no nose space whatsoever. At least now they can fit. It's not the most comfortable thing around my nose because there's no padding anymore, but they're usable at the very least. So to conclude, they are not a bad pair of goggles for 20 euros. Here you can see where the double layer starts. You can feel it with the finger too. They're a good pair of goggles for how cheap they are. They are goggles that cost way more than these do. Just be prepared for them to absolutely not fit the nose, like even with basically everything removed, because there's barely any material left for me to cut into. They barely fit, and I have a small nose. As I said, if you have a big nose, I don't think you could shave down enough material to make them fit, because you would be cutting soon into the lens itself. So just keep this in mind. If for a kid, yes, they for sure will fit. If you're an adult and you have a small nose, be prepared to remove a lot of material. If you're an adult with big nose, good luck. I don't think they are meant for you, sadly. I don't know the company where it's from, Lancer Tactical. I don't know the type of people that live in that country, if they all have tiny noses, but man, it's a bummer because it's a great goggle for a great price. It fits comfortably around the rest of your face. As I said, fog proofness, it's good since it's double layer lens. It's a system that you use on motorcycle helmets too. So it's a tested style of making your goggles fog proof. That's it really. Thank you for watching.